Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to another session.
Hello.
Today we have, as you can see, we have Ruta Didi from the Samatha team who is going to take a session. And ये आज का session भी एक और craft का session होने वाला है. So we are going to make wall hangings from paper. आपको आपके पास materials तो ready है, तो आपको पता है कि origami paper के साथ हम लोग wall hangings बनाने वाले हैं. And it's going to be very easy, very simple. You can make wall hangings, or you can even put them on your Christmas tree if you celebrate Christmas. So I'll just ask Ruta Didi to say hi and start.
Hi, Dee.
You can wave out to her.
Hi. Hello. Can everyone see me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Hi. Nice to meet you after so many days. हमने last time I think November में mask का session लिया था मैंने. If you remember, I think some of you may have attended. But yeah, I am happy to be back with another session. So as Rucha Didi pointed out, we'll make wall hangings today. So has everyone got their supplies?
Yes.
So just if you can see the screen, just take one of the craft papers. Okay, is everyone ready with their craft papers? Yes, I can see Siddhant and Deva and Trishita has got chart papers. Cool, Ishan is also ready. Perfect. So, yeah, I can see Rodriguez family is also sitting together and going to make today. Great, perfect. So, हम आज बहुत simple wall hangings बनाने वाले हैं. And for that, पहले what we have to do is take our square paper and fold it into a triangle. Okay. So your craft paper can be of any size actually, but 10 by 10 centimeters is a good size, I think, wall hanging के लिए. Simple triangle fold. Let me know once you are done. Yes, Siddhant is already done. Cool. Ishan is also done. Perfect. Deva is done. SK Arman. Okay. Great. So once you have your triangle ready, we're also going to take a scissor, and usse pehle we're just going to mark some lines. So if you have a pencil next to you, what you can do is take a pencil and a ruler and make a line over here. ये जो हमने fold बनाया है ना, yeah, great Deva. So you can just put your triangle paper down, and ये जो fold वाली side है वहाँ पे ऐसे एक line बनाएंगे. Can everyone see? Yes, I can see everyone is doing it. Okay. Yes. हो गई तो give me a thumbs up. Okay. अब हम ऐसे इन लाइंस को क्या कहते हैं? कोई anyone wants to try an answer? Yes, Trishita?
Yeah, you can unmute yourself, Trishita.
This is called symmetry.
Yes, close enough, Trishita. These lines are symmetrical, but they are also parallel. क्योंकि ये yes, they are vertical lines. Actually, I just realized बहुत सारे ways में हम इन lines को define कर सकते हैं. So just go on making these symmetrical, vertical, or parallel lines. Yeah, let me know once you are done. अगर आपको बीच में कोई भी doubt होगा तो don't hesitate to ask.
Yeah, you can always raise your hand if you have a question, if you want Riri to repeat something, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, or you can put it in the chat box as well. I hope everyone
Yeah.
can see the lines.
Yeah, I'll just hold it a bit closer so you can see.
Yeah.
हमने पहले ये लाइन बनाई साइड में जहां फोल्ड किया था एंड फिर ऐसे सीधे लाइंस बहुत सारे लाइंस बना लिए साधारण 1 सेंटीमीटर का गैप छोड़ के. Yes, Trishita, very nice.
Kavish is done.
Kavish is also done.
Yes, I can see Joanne and Aditi. Right.
Ishan is also done. Aditi, very nice. बहुत fast अपने lines बना लिए. Great, काफी easy था अब तक. Is everyone following?
We can give a
Yes,
thumbs up
Joanne.
if we can move ahead.
Oh,
Nice.
perfect.
Great.
Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll take our pair of scissors and we'll cut along ये जो दूसरे lines हमने बनाए थे उन पे cut करना है. ठीक है? तो if अगर आप थोड़े छोटे हो तो make sure you have an adult next to you. कोई बड़ा होना चाहिए साथ में. Don't hurt yourself. धीरे धीरे कट करना है. हमें कोई जल्दी नहीं है. हम आराम से wall hanging बनाएंगे आज. ठीक है? Just cut. So as you can see ये दोनों sides cut हो रहे हैं along the lines. और ये हमें पूरा नहीं कट करना है. जो हमने पहली लाइन बनाई थी सिर्फ वहां तक कट करना है. ठीक है? So yeah, you can just अगर आपको कोई doubt है तो let me know. Otherwise, you can just go on cutting along these lines.
Yeah, this is a very important step. You don't have to cut all the way up to the fold, only till the first line that you made.
Yeah. ये जो
थोड़ी सी
पहली
जगह
लाइन बनाई
छोड़ो.
थी सिर्फ वहां तक. थोड़ी सी जगह रखनी है हमें एंड में. But yeah, it's nice to see everyone after so many days. अब तक क्या क्या बनाया आपने दिसंबर में? Can anyone tell me? मैं नहीं थी ना तो मुझे थोड़ा recap कोई देगा क्या क्या बनाया दिसंबर में? What all did you make in December? अब तक. Yes, anyone?
You can raise your hand if you want to answer.
Yeah, you can raise your hand. Or you can tell me what was your favorite session of all.
Yes,
Yes, I can see
Kavish
Kavish is already done. Nice.
Yes, okay, Dev.
Bookmark.
Bookmark, yeah.
Deva, Trishita. Okay, Deva, what was your favorite session? Oh,
Bookmark.
Siddhant's favorite session was flower. Deva, you said?
Bookmark.
Bookmark. Oh, nice. That was a good session. Even I saw the bookmarks you guys made. बहुत अच्छे से बनाया था आपने. Trishita, what about you? What was your favorite session till now?
The Zumba on Saturday.
Oh,
I
Zumba
missed-
में बताया.
I missed
Nice.
that one.
Yeah, nice. Arjun also said.
हमें ये वाला कट करना
सॉरी,
हमें ये वाला कट करना है जो हमने सबसे पहले बनाया था, ये वाला।
नहीं नहीं, जस्ट ये यहाँ तक के का कट करना है, उसके आगे यू कैन जस्ट वेट टिल आई फिनिश। दीदी थोड़ी स्लो है आपसे। I just cut it quickly so I can catch up to you guys. End तक नहीं कट करना है, just थोड़ा सा. Okay.
Shivani
So
is
once,
done.
okay, I think everyone is done. Okay, Arjun liked bookmark and yoga. Nice. Perfect. Siddhant is also done. I think everyone is done. So अगर किसी का नहीं हुआ हो तो let me know. Otherwise we'll move ahead. Okay, Deva, you have a question? Yeah, Trishita, you have a question?
I'm doing.
Okay, okay. Okay, sure. We can wait. तो हमने पहले एक लाइन बनाई, उसके बाद ये जस्ट लाइंस कट किए, एंड व्हाट वी रिमेम्बर टू डू इज पूरे एंड तक नहीं काटना है, जो पहली वाली लाइन थी सिर्फ वहां तक काटना है. ओके,
Maybe you can open it up to show how it looks up till now.
आई जस्ट ओपन इट अप टू शो हाउ इट लुक्स. थोड़ा आराम से ओपन करना है. मेक श्योर यू डोंट टेयर एनीथिंग. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक फॉर नाउ. अच्छा लग रहा है ना ऐसे एकदम खुला खुला?
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful, Siddhant, Shivani, Ishan, SK Arman, Manish is also doing. Yes, Rodriguez family, nice, perfect. Yeah, I love like everyone is using such different colors this time. Perfect.
Yeah, I don't think anyone is using the same color.
Yeah,
Usually have 2 or 3 people.
usually we have the same colors.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is we'll take our glue and we'll just take this ये first strip और ये वाली first strip एंड ये हमें ग्लू करना है. तो मैंने लेफ्ट वाली स्ट्रिप ली, इस पे थोड़ा सा ग्लू लगाया, सिर्फ कॉर्नर में थोड़ा सा, जस्ट इनफ कि ये राइट साइड वाली स्ट्रिप विल स्टिक ऑन इट. हमें सिर्फ ये चिपकाना है, साथ में थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ग्लू लगा के. यस, कैन यू सी? यू ऑल्सो ट्राई, लेट मी नो अगर आपको आ रहा है, कोई डाउट है. It's a very simple process. So ये पहला वाला लगा के what we are going to do is we'll turn this over, इसको उल्टा कर देंगे एंड नेक्स्ट स्ट्रिप उल्टी साइड में लगाएंगे. ठीक है? सो वंस यू आर डन विद द फर्स्ट वाला, ये लूप बोलेंगे हम इसको, आई गेस. इसको टर्न करेंगे और ये सेम प्रोसेस हम दूसरी साइड पे रिपीट करेंगे. थोड़ा सा ग्लू, सेकेंड वाली स्ट्रिप will match the second strip again. लेफ्ट के ऊपर राइट या राइट के ऊपर लेफ्ट, whatever works best for you. तो अब ये थोड़ा ऐसे दिख रहा है. हमने एक लूप पहली साइड में बनाया, एक लूप दूसरे साइड में. ये सबको समझ में आया? Does anyone have any doubt up till now? I don't think so. I think everyone's working pretty well. And that is basically it. अगर आपको इतना समझ आ गया तो I mean you are good to go, man.
Deva, do you have a question? I'll just ask it on you.
Okay. Deva has a question.
I'm still cutting, ma'am.
Oh yeah. No, it's okay.
We have
No
time.
problem. You can just take your time.
Yeah.
If you want me to repeat anything, let me know. Yes, Manish is putting his hand in it and playing with it already.
Okay,
Okay,
Arjun.
Arjun.
Yeah.
हमने पहले आपका खोल के हो गया, ये लाइंस कट करके हो गए. अर्जुन कहाँ है? मुझे आज दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है एक्चुअली.
He's with his red.
Oh नहीं, okay, I can
Yeah.
see it. I can see. Okay.
Yeah, I think
Yes.
इसके lines cut करके हो गए.
Okay, lines cut करके हो गए. Yeah. So what you can do is take पहला वाला strip left side से और उस पे थोड़ा सा glue लगा के right side वाला strip लगाना है. ठीक है? And यही procedure हम दूसरी side में repeat करेंगे. Okay, Arjun, did you understand this time? Okay, perfect, great. और ये हम alternate करके करेंगे. Alternate मतलब कैसे? पहले एक side में, फिर दूसरी side में. फिर एक side, फिर दूसरी side. Yes, does Rodriguez family have a question?
Are we making a snowflake?
Oh, you can actually make a snowflake. We don't have.
That's
Oh, you have
beautiful.
already made one. Oh my god, that is so cool. That was very quick.
Wait, this was made earlier.
This is our last year's one.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Oh.
that's so nice that you've still kept
That's
it
very
from last
beautiful.
year to use it again. That's nice.
We're thinking of making a snowflake actually, but I thought उसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा time लगता था. So yeah, but yeah, as you saw, उन्होंने कैसे दिखाया अपने ऐसे छोटे छोटे ज़्यादा लेके 6 अगर आपने एक साथ चिपकाए तो you can make a snowflake out of it, and you can hang it on your Christmas tree, or you can also hang it on your wall. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's
we
a
just
great
continue
idea.
this. Yeah. You can just continue this till you're done. मैं भी जल्दी जल्दी कर लूँ. हमें एक और बनाना है छोटा सा wall hanging.
Also, be a little careful with the paper. When you turn it, don't put a lot
Yeah.
of pressure on it, otherwise वो fold हो जाएगा paper. So एकदम आराम
Yeah.
से करना है, नाजुक से handle करना है, छोटे छोटे pieces paper के.
And make sure आप correct strips join कर रहे हो. End वाले एकदम every single time. You'll notice जैसे जैसे आप आगे बढ़ते हो ये थोड़ा हाथ से फिसलने लगता है. You might experience that.
Yes, Devar, do you want to say something?
Yeah, I'm done with the cutting.
Okay, he's done
Okay.
with the cutting.
Yeah.
Take it in, no worries. आपका कट करके हो गया तो let me know. I'll repeat the next few instructions. Okay.
Yeah, he's done with the cutting. I think you can repeat.
अच्छा, he's done. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So what you can do is I'll just show you again on the next piece. ये हमने एक लेफ्ट साइड का लिया, नीचे से you can start. लेफ्ट साइड का लेके उस पे ग्लू लगाएंगे थोड़ा, एंड उसकी मैचिंग राइट साइड की स्ट्रिप you take it and you paste it ऐसे. एकदम ज्यादा ग्लू नहीं लगाना है, नहीं तो your paper will tear. थोड़ा सा लगा देना. Oh, Siddhant is done. Perfect. It looks beautiful, Siddhant.
It does. It looks like a Christmas tree.
It does, and you can make a snowflake out of it, जैसे Rodriguez family ने बनाया है, ऐसे छोटे-छोटे बना के. Perfect. Shivani is also done, I think.
Yeah, Shan is also showing his completed.
Shivani is also done. SK Arman is also finished. Okay. मेरा ही रह गया लगता है.
Yeah.
I'll try to finish it quickly. तब तक what you can do is, you can take a thread and you can tie it सबसे ऊपर, so that you can hang your wall hanging, right? और बीच में if you want some more decoration, you can add some beads into it. Extra decoration अगर आपको चाहिए होगा तो, but नहीं भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. Even I don't have beads today, but just in case you have, you can put that on as well. Yes, Shivani, it looks nice. Kavish is also done. Looks great, Kavish. Yes, Aditi, you're also doing with me. Nice. It looks great, Aditi.
Yes, Sushita, do you have a question?
I want to say that I have done a mistake in the first one, so I'm making second one.
No worries. Yeah, you can always start again.
You can make 2.
Do you want Didi to repeat anything? Did you
No, I
understand
can.
this time?
Yes.
That's nice.
Great.
That's nice that you're starting again.
Yeah, the more you do it, the more practice you'll get. So already ये इतना easy है, अभी तो आप expert हो जाओगे इसमें.
सुदान का तो थ्रेड लगा के भी हो गया. He's ready to hang it now.
Oh, nice. That's great.
Shrita Didi.
So अगर सबका हो गया हो, तो let me know. We can move on to the second वाला wall hanging. Okay. As soon as everyone is done.
I think maybe it gets little more difficult at the end because the pieces are so small.
Yeah.
Done.
Are you done? So this is what your wall hanging will look like. I think मेरा end थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया हो, तो you can just leave the end जैसे पहले था, instead of taking it all the way to the top. You just leave it like that, एक ही side में. Okay, so is everyone done? Should we move on to the second hanging?
Yeah, you can give a thumbs up. Shrishta, it's okay. You can continue later. And
Sure.
because now you know how to do it, so that's
Yeah. But yeah, if you have any doubts, let me know. Otherwise, this is what your wall hanging will look like. You can just tie a thread ऊपर यहाँ पे. You can punch a hole यहाँ and tie a thread and hang it ऐसे. Okay. So if you're done with that, for the next hanging, we'll need 2 papers. You can use the same color or you can use different colors as well. I'm using same 2 colors today. So take your 2 papers और हमें 2 papers पे same procedure repeat करना है. Okay. Trishita, do you have a question?
I have also the same papers.
Oh, okay. That's cool. So we'll be matching today.
Yes. But the another color.
okay. Okay, but 2 same colors for this one hanging. Right.
I see. Nice. Yes, David Clark, do you have a question?
Okay. Por favor. This your work is lovely. The work with the paper design is very lovely. It's muy bonito. Gracias. The like flower and thing.
Okay. I only understood
Yeah.
gracias.
I think he was just saying it's beautiful. It's lovely.
Okay. Thank you. That's really sweet. Thank you for attending. Okay, Kavish is already moving on to the next one. So ये वाले इसके साथ हम flower वाला wall hanging बनाएंगे. And for that, what you need to do is again we make a triangle fold. Just like so. Yes, आपका एक triangle हो गया. And then you can just go on and make another triangle fold, उसी triangle में. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, एकदम crisp नहीं हुआ तो भी चल जाएगा. No pressure. Just make 2 triangle folds, okay? Let me know once you're done till here, and then we'll move ahead.
Kavish is done.
Kavish is done.
So is Arjun. And they are
Okay.
using the same color now. And so is
Okay.
Aditi.
Okay. Siddhant is also done. Okay. Okay. So if you're done with the 2 triangle folds, हम ये वाला part ऐसे नीचे fold करेंगे. Okay. So you'll make half a triangle ऐसे. Right? Can everyone see? Let me know if you're following. Okay. I can't see anyone. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Suchita, do you have a question?
How do we have to fold?
Okay, so आपने ये triangle पहले बनाया एक बड़ा वाला, फिर उसको half में, और फिर ये जो empty side है जो flap खुल रहा है वहां से you bring this part down. ये नीचे लाया तो आपको एक और triangle मिल जाएगा. Okay. And same procedure हम दूसरे side में repeat करेंगे. You fold it, turn it over and make यहाँ पे एक. Is everyone following? If you have any question, let me know. I'll repeat it. Yeah, Deva, do you have a question?
Yeah, can you repeat it?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, I think
So-
Trishita has done both the folds.
Okay, great. Great, Trishita, sorry. Ye first triangle, I think you did.
Yeah.
Sorry, this was the first triangle and this was the second triangle. और फिर ये जो flap open हो रहा है, उसको हम एक flap को इस side में नीचे करेंगे
Yeah.
and दूसरे triangle को उसके पीछे की side में. Okay. Okay, great.
Yes, Aditi.
Yes, Aditi, are you done?
Thank you.
Thank you.
He's saying thank you.
Okay.
I think she's done, yeah.
Okay, great. So, just once you're done, let me know. Okay, Uday is also done.
Kavish, do you have a question?
What we do?
We're making another wall hanging with the different design. We're making the second wall hanging.
Repeat. I want repeat.
Yeah.
Okay,
Repeat for
just
me.
repeat. Yeah, Kavish. 1 second. You take your square paper, you fold it into one triangle. Okay. फिर हमने फिर से फोल्ड करना है दूसरे ट्रायंगल में. Okay. And then you bring एक flap यहाँ से नीचे. Yes, Kavish, you take this flap, you bring it down. Okay, I see everyone is almost done, I think. दूसरा flap भी दूसरे side में you bring it down. Okay, next we're going to take a pencil and ये just make sure your triangle looks like this. तो यहाँ पे बंद है side और right side में खुला हुआ है. Okay, just make sure. Okay, yes, Deva, I can see it looks great. Set your triangle नीचे.
Correct, Kavish. I think he's done it. If you can.
Okay, Kavish is also done. Perfect.
Yeah.
So set your triangle down. ये जो बंद वाली साइड है वो लेफ्ट में होनी चाहिए और जो खुली वाली साइड है द साइड विच इज ओपन जहाँ आपको बहुत सारे लाइंस दिख रहे हैं मेक श्योर दैट इज टू द राइट एंड यू विल मेक ऐसे एक कर्व टिल द एंड. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah, Trishita.
I can't see.
Oh, sorry. I just put this here. So ये जो बंद साइड है वो लेफ्ट में खुली वाली साइड राइट में and you make us a curved line like a flower's petal, right?
Yeah, that's very important. Ma'am, ka dekho where the closed side is and where the open side is. That's very important.
Yeah. Left may close, right may open, and they say start here, start with the closed end, make a curve which goes down to this side. And once you're done, let me know, we'll move on to the next step. Yes, oh, Deva is already done. That's great. Trishita, I think you're also done. Okay, great. So, okay, Kavish is also done. Shivani, nice, perfect. Now what we're going to do is, it's काफी obvious. We're going to take a pair of scissors and slowly we're going to cut along this line. ऐसे curve बनाना है. Make sure you do it आराम से because नीचे बहुत सारे folds है. So take help from an adult next to you. Ask your parents or your siblings because ये cutting थोड़ा difficult है. So धीरे धीरे कट करना है, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. And cut it all the way through this side. And once you have that, you will have a say triangle shape but with a curve on one side. आपका कट करके हो गया तो let me know. Oh yeah, Deva, very nice. You're already done. Perfect. सब अभी जल्दी जल्दी कर रहे हैं. Everyone wants to see अंदर कैसे दिखने वाला है ये wall hanging. But don't open it yet. बंद ही रखना है फिलहाल. Just once you are done, just set it down ऐसे. Same way, left side में बंद और right side में खुला. Don't open the petal yet. Yes, Trishita, perfect. Looks great. Sangeeta is also doing nice. Siddhant is done. SK Arman is just finishing. Perfect. Looks great. Kavish is done. Arjun. Okay, I think almost everyone is done. So हमें next step भी काफी similar है. We'll make two curved lines now. Okay. यहाँ पे. But this time what we're going to do is हम end में start नहीं करेंगे. थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ेंगे. And then we'll start. Okay, just keep that in mind. I'll just quickly make and show you what it looks like.
Just like we did last time, we left some space. हमने थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ी थी near the fold. Do the same thing here.
This is what it looks like. Again, same. Left में बंद है, right side में it's open. Make 2 curved lines, जगह छोड़ के, और ऊपर थोड़ी जगह छोड़नी है. Yes, Trishita, very nice. You can leave a bit more space maybe in between the 2 lines. Yes, yes, Karman, it looks great. Kavish is also done. Rodriguez family is also done. Looks great. So once you have this, you can just abhi ye lines. Yes, Siddhant is doing. Oh, he's done already. Okay, great. Shivani. Okay, Arjun, don't open it. अभी खोलना नहीं है. Just a little bit more patience. पहले हम कट करेंगे फिर खोलेंगे. Okay? That's all right. ठीक है, तो now we'll cut so that we can see अंदर कैसे दिखता है. ये जो हमने लाइंस बनाए अभी उसमें कट करना है. And once again, don't cut it all the way to the end. जहाँ तक हमने लाइन बनाई है सिर्फ वहां तक कट करना है. Same way you cut the second line. Please ask your parents to help you with this because ये थोड़ा difficult है cutting क्योंकि इतने सारे layers हमने बनाए हैं. So if you think it's difficult to cut, ask someone to help you. Don't hurt yourself. आराम से cut करना है. I'll just check the chat box once. If you have any questions, let me know. And once you're done with this step, you can open it.
Yes, Kavish, correctly. You've cut.
So once you're done, we'll just open this flower. This is what it will look like. Yes, Arjun. Oh, you did another one, or was it the previous one? Yes, Kavish looks great. Yeah. Oh, Siddhant looks beautiful as well. He has a similar color. Nice. Yes, Uday. You can open it up a bit more. थोड़ा सा और खोल सकते हो. Yes, Arman, yours also looks great. So everyone has a flower with them now. Yes, Trishita, do you have a question?
I want to say that this is looks like this. This is
Oh, did you? अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. I'll show it again. हमें एक और flower बनाना है. तो when I show it again, can you follow it for a second time?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just start once again in just a minute. हमें एक और step करनी है. उसके बाद I'll show it once more. And I think I know where you went wrong. I'll just make sure to repeat that instruction more carefully. Okay. So
Okay.
अगर आपका ये हो गया हो, तो what you can do is take the middle वाला petal, apply a little bit of gum in the middle, and take this gum and take this petal and stick it here. थोड़ा सा ही end में ये करना है. And what you have to do is just paste the end चिपकाना है सिर्फ. ये loop पूरा fold नहीं करना है.
Yes, Aditi, we can see your flower.
हमें सेकेंड वाला जो लूप है सारे पेटल्स में वो स्टिक करना है और उसका सिर्फ एंड चिपकाना है. पूरा फोल्ड मत कर देना. Thank you, Uday. That's very sweet. I can, if you show me yours also, I can also see how beautiful your flower is. Once you're done, you can show me. और ये हमें चारों पेटल्स के लिए रिपीट करना है. सेकेंड लूप, take it down.
Nice, Arjun. He's done with 3 petals, I think.
Okay, great. Yes, Kavish, do you have a question?
I cut it.
Mm-hmm. You're done with the cutting? Did you open the flower? आपका flower खुल गया?
Again, repeat.
अच्छा, okay. I'll just repeat once more. 1 minute. ये आपका हो गया तो 1 minute. Kavish, I'll just repeat in a second. ये आपका हो गया तो you can just have it ready ऐसे and you can keep it to the side and we'll make ऐसा एक और flower, okay? जल्दी जल्दी I'll show you once more. What we did is, so जिनका first flower was उसमें कोई mistake हो गई हो तो you can just pay attention once again because anyway we need 2 flowers so you can watch this. Oh no, Deva, it's okay. You can just follow it a second time. I'll show it again. Okay, and if you have any doubts along the way, just let me know. I'll repeat myself.
Yeah,
अभी हम
please pay attention now.
Yeah, pay attention and try to follow along. पहले हमने triangle fold किया, simple triangle fold. Once you're done with the triangle fold, let me know. Okay, Trishita is done. Kavish, did you do the triangle? Oh, you're already 2 steps ahead. Koi baat nahi. Okay, you'll have to wait for me now. Just a little bit. Just for the others, just make your triangle, then make your second triangle essay. So you have 2 triangle folds. Yes, Siddhant looks great. And everyone who is done with the first flower can also make a second flower because वैसे भी we'll need 2 flowers for this wall hanging. Okay. So if you're done with the first, make your second one now. So हमने पहले ये triangle fold किया, फिर ये वाला, and take this flap नीचे. Okay, one flap we'll take it down. We'll get a third triangle here. But the second flap, what we are going to do with that is fold it दूसरी side में. Okay. Just fold it and I'll show it to you again. So this is what we have now. First triangle, second triangle, one flap down, and second flap दूसरी side में नीचे. So once you're done till now, let me know. I'll repeat the next step, which is very important. Yes, Kavish is done. Deva is also done. Trishita is done. Perfect. Arjun is also done. Okay. So इधर अपने फिर एक बार थोड़ा ध्यान देना है. हमारी ये triangle है, ये triangle का left side है, and we call this one the right side. जो left side में है, वहाँ you should only be able to see 2 flaps, 1 and 2, right? So place your triangle अपने सामने ऐसे place करना है कि left side में there's only 2 flaps and right side में you can see 4 flaps.
It's more open on the right side and mostly closed on the left.
Yeah, sorry. Left side में बंद है, right side में खुला हुआ है. And you look at it like that and place it down. Yes, are you done? Did you place your triangle? Yes, Trishita, perfect. So just place it नीचे on your board and you'll draw your first petal. You can start with the closed side and make a petal, a curved shape like this.
Yeah, I think Rishita has a question. Just a minute.
I want to say that in the left side I see only 2 and right side I see nothing.
Oh, are you sure? Right side me. Did you fold these flaps on opposite sides? ऐसे plain जैसे? Once you're done with the second triangle, ये एक flap हमने नीचे डालना है और दूसरा flap दूसरे side में, okay?
Rishita, are you following? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, great. So left side में बंद है, right side में खुला है, and you make a curve यहाँ पे. Start with the closed side end यहाँ नीचे. This is what it will look like. Yes, Siddhant is done with 2 flowers. Perfect. We'll just wait one more moment till I finish my flower. Okay, so now you'll just take a pair of scissors, or even before that, if you want, you can actually, yeah, just we'll cut this petal first. क्योंकि ये वाला हमें end तक cut करना है. Cut it till the end, first line. And then you make 2 more curved lines. And make sure आपके दोनों curved lines में जगह है काफी. And don't, ये पूरा ऊपर तक हमें कट नहीं करना है, तो ऊपर तक ड्रॉ मत करना, okay? Once you're done till here, let me know so we can move ahead to the cutting. Yes, Trishita, do you have a question?
Again, this is opening.
Oh,
Hey. Oh no. Do you have someone to help you with this?
No, my mother and father is outside.
Okay.
No
Acha,
worries.
what you can do is,
yeah.
He's not, they are not gone. They are in the house, but
They are
I'm in
busy.
the second. I'm in the another room.
Okay,
No
no
problem.
worries.
What we'll do is
Rishita,
we'll
yeah,
upload
yeah.
a video on YouTube and we'll share the link on the group so you can watch this again. And you can
Okay.
try it by yourself later as well, since we don't have time
Yeah.
now. But you can always try again. It's okay.
Yeah. Please try again with your parents and just send me a photo on the group once you're done. Because ये online है, I can't really see what you're doing
Yeah.
इसलिए I don't know where you're going wrong. So I'm sorry we have that limitation online mode में, but hopefully you'll be able to do it later.
I'm sure you'll be able to follow if you watch it again.
Yeah, definitely. So for अगर आपकी ये 2 lines हो गए, तो you can just take a pair of scissors and cut. But हमें एकदम end तक cut नहीं करना है. We just have to cut till here. Make sure you don't cut it towards the end.
Yes, Kavish, correct.
Don't cut it towards the end. Yeah, Rodriguez family is also done. Perfect. You have 2 flowers ready. Nice. और आपको ये कट करके हो गया, then you can open the flower. Okay. Slowly open करेंगे. Here's our second flower. And once more, we'll repeat the previous step. Put a bit of gum in the middle. take the second loop of the petal and put it beach mein.
I see
Just
Siddharth has, yeah, already
Okay.
do flowers and even sent photos on the group. That's nice.
Okay, that's great. I'll also finish mine quickly so you all can see what we're going to do with the 2 flowers. So once you're done with the second flower, you can just stick it on the back of your first flower, ऐसे, so that the petals are sort of interlocking. Okay, हमें पहले वाला petal यहाँ पे आएगा and ये दूसरे वाले का यहाँ पे. Okay,
Yeah, almost
don't stick it like this.
like an X.
Yeah, make an X basically. ऐसे नहीं stick करना है, ऐसे stick करना है. So सारे sides में you can see petals. I'll just quickly show you what it will look like. हल्के हाथ से glue लगाना है and then you stick it like this. Press it lightly. एकदम जोर से press नहीं करना है क्योंकि ये flower is very delicate, काफी नाजुक flower है. And once you're done, let it dry a bit so that you can put on a thread here and hang it. And that's it. You're done with your flower wall hanging. Yes, Siddhant, looks great. And because you've used 2 colors, it looks even better. Perfect. You can choose to put 2 colors or a single color, any which way works. Shivani is also done. Perfect. Arjun, great. Everyone's flowers look great. Ishan, beautiful. Yes, Rishita, do you have a question?
I can make only one, so but I have 2 papers. I wasted by mistake, so I have only
Oh.
1 paper.
Oh no, that's all right. You can still count it as practice, right? So it's okay if you made a mistake. Now what you can do is learn from that mistake, right?
Yeah, especially because you were making this for the first time, so it's all
First
right.
time, yeah. In fact, I'll tell you what. When I made this for the first time, मेरा भी paper it just fell apart everywhere, and then I have to go back and make sure I did everything right. So it's okay. मैं तो आपसे इतनी बड़ी हूँ, फिर भी I still make mistakes, so it's okay. So तब तक I'll just virtually give you my flower, so you can have this virtually as a gift from me to you. But yeah, you can definitely try your own later on.
Yeah. But everyone else who's done it, it looks really nice. I think you can maybe put a thread somehow in the
Have a
middle
thread.
and hang it. You can hang it on your wall, or like we said in the beginning, if you celebrate Christmas, or even if you have a Christmas tree at home this year, you can put it in the, we can put it as an ornament on the tree also. Can we
This
have
is what it will
the
look like.
Rodriguez family show their snowflake again with the first
Yeah, that would be
Yeah.
great. You can just spotlight them, I think.
yeah, just a second. Yeah, so I think everyone can see Rodriguez family has made such a beautiful snowflake with the first wall hanging that we did. So you can also make that, it'll look even better. If you have time and if you have the paper, that's great. Thank you so much for sharing that. And
We like to also show some stars that we have made for the Christmas tree.
yeah.
Sure.
Go ahead. We can see some decoration in the background as well.
We're all set for Christmas.
Yeah. That's beautiful. I'll just spotlight them so everyone can see. They have a Christmas tree at home
Oh
and
my
they make
God.
so many decorations.
It looks beautiful. I think, oh my God. I love the decorations. It looks beautiful.
And I love that you've made everything at home instead of buying. Like
Yeah,
it's all
yeah,
made
yeah.
out of paper and not plastic, so that's great. And you just said that you were reusing last year's decoration as well. That's amazing. Cool.
It's
So I think
great.
that brings us to the end of our session. It's already 6:30. So this was our craft session with Ruta Didi. We can all just clap for ourselves again as usual.
Pat
Clap for your
yourselves on the
friends.
back.
Yeah, and pat yourselves on the back. Clap for each other and pat yourself on the back. And we'll see you again on Friday for another craft session, which I'm going to take. So we'll see you again there on Friday, same time, 5:30 to 6:30. And yeah, thank you so much for coming today. Thank you so much for attending. Should we take a photo before we leave? You can maybe hold up what you've made today.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'll just
Sure.
take a photo really quickly. That's great. Is everyone ready? Say cheese. Perfect. I've taken photos and I'll share them in the group later. Thank you so much for attending today. And we'll see you
Thank you.
next time on Friday.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah,